Right now we're going to work on 3 arm bends. So the first one is here. Alright, now what you want to do, the palm of your hand is facing him. A lot of people try to do it like this and just try to muscle him down. Go ahead and resist a little bit. It's not going to work. So you put the palm facing him and then you rotate it. You give it this snapping motion as you pull, and then down he'll go. Later. So that's the first one. The second one we'll do, we're going to just tuck it under the armpit. Okay, come around this side. Okay. Which would be, it may be off of a push-pull type of motion, and it may be from your jab or parry, and come in this way. But from here, all you want to do is drop. Okay, we're just working on the basic arm gag right now. So I don't pull him, I use my body weight. And I just drop to my right knee. I lock this in here. I can grab my shirt if I need to. Grab his tricep so he's not going anywhere. And then I just drop and take him down. And we're going to add the locks to this. So I just want to get this basic move. So from here, it's right at the elbow, up in the armpit. Tighten this up. Grab your shirt. Grab the tricep. If I just try to pull, I can't resist. You're going to have a real struggle. Just want to drop all your weight, because he can't hold you up. You can't hold 150, 180, 200, 200 plus pounds. So, and then the last one is here. Once you get it off here, you want to grab the wrist, and we're going to take one step back and drop again. Be careful with your partners on some of these. So it's 2 hands here. We're going to step and drop. So one more time from here. Get down. Just step through. And drop your weight. One more time. Go through all 3 of them. You got 1, 2, drop here. And 3. And down. Okay, so let's play with those 3.
Okay, this one I'll try to resist just a little bit. Just do it real fast and see.
And then do I, is it like this? As I roll, I go. Right. Because I'm going. Right. It felt like. Yeah. Oh, yeah, step in. I feel like so go down here.
You just got to drop all your weight.
Okay.
The first time you step through with your back leg, that's how
On this one we step through. On this one, and step out and drop.
That is, okay.
Pull, snap it, and pull. And you see, usually you're able to this off the balance.
Here?
Good.
You're going to step through, jerk, like, shock.